Welcome back. In this video, we will understand how to make a dashboard and assign to a user. Log in to the portal as admin. Go to the dashboard menu and expand. Click on Configurable View. It will take you to the screen where List of Screen Visible. Create a new dashboard by clicking Create button and name it. Click on plus icon to enter in the dashboard. To insert widgets, click on plus icon in the display right corner. Choose the widget you want to insert. There are charts, tables, buttons, KPIs, etc. as widgets. Click to select widget to insert in the dashboard. You can resize and reposition the widget anywhere within the dashboard. Once it is placed at desired location, just right-click and lock. Now widget would be fixed at the screen. You can add multiple widgets in the screen. Now right-click and click on Edit option. This will open a sidebar where we can configure data and the style of the widget. Modify the settings according to your requirement. Once you finish editing the dashboard, do not forget to save the dashboard by Save icon. To assign this dashboard to new user, go to User Management menu and create New User by filling the required details. To link dashboard to new user, just click on the link icon in the user row. Now link dashboard to this user and save dashboards. For testing, open new tab in the browser and open login screen. Log in by new user credentials as user. As you can see, this user is getting same dashboard as it has been assigned. You can rename the dashboard for user visualization if required. Thanks for watching.